going to tell you anyway. Welcome to the fascinating world of microwave ovens, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Imagine this. You pop in some cold leftovers, press a few buttons, and voila! In less time than it takes to boil water, you're feasting on hot, delicious food. But how does this happen? How does a cold pizza become a hot, cheesy slice of heaven in mere minutes? Well, the secret lies not in fairy dust or magic, but in something called electromagnetic waves. Yes, it's as sci-fi as it sounds. These waves are the invisible heroes in our story, transforming your food from frigid to fabulous. Think of them as tiny, energetic chefs working at lightning speed to heat your food evenly and quickly. So, are you ready to unravel the mystery behind these culinary wizards? So buckle up as we dive into the electrifying world of microwave ovens. So, what's this electromagnetic mumbo-jumbo we're talking about? Well, let's break it down, shall we? Picture invisible waves zipping around at the speed of light. These, my friend, are electromagnetic waves. Everywhere you look, there they are. They're in the sunlight warming your skin. They're in the Wi-Fi signals connecting us to the world. And yes, they're in your microwave, cooking your food to perfection. Now these waves have a special talent. They can make water molecules dance. And it's this jive that generates heat. In your microwave, these waves are set to a specific frequency that gets water molecules in your food boogieing, and voila, your dinner's hot and ready. So, next time you're enjoying the outdoors, remember, you're basically basking in a giant natural microwave. Just kidding. But seriously, isn't it amazing to think about how we're surrounded by these invisible waves every second of every day? Now, how does your microwave oven use these electromagnetic waves to turn your cold pizza into a hot delight? Well, imagine your microwave oven as a dance club and the water molecules in your food as the eager dancers. Our DJ, the magnetron, spins the tunes, or rather, generates the microwaves. These microwaves, like the dance beats, make the water molecules in your food jive and jiggle. This dance is what we call vibration. The more the water molecules dance, the more they rub against each other. This friction generates heat, just like how you feel warm when you dance. Now, the microwaves penetrate the food, reaching every water molecule, even the shy ones hiding in the center, ensuring everyone gets a chance to dance. The heat generated from this molecular mosh pit warms up your food evenly. And voila, your cold pizza is now hot and ready to eat, thanks to the disco dance of water molecules. But wait, aren't microwaves dangerous? Will standing near one give me superpowers? Now, wouldn't that be a fun twist? The truth, however, is a little less exciting. Microwaves are simply a form of electromagnetic radiation, not some magical transformation machine. Many people worry that standing near a microwave will increase their risk of cancer. But fear not, the radiation levels decrease significantly as you move away from the oven. More than a foot away, and you're in the clear. Another myth is that microwaves cook food from the inside out. In reality, microwaves penetrate food, causing water molecules to vibrate and generate heat. But this only happens about an inch into the food. Anything deeper has to be heated by conduction, just like in a regular oven. So there you have it, folks. The secret life of your microwave oven. Not as mysterious as you thought, right? And remember, it's just heating your food, not plotting world domination. Or is it?
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.